Hi there, Intune friends. In the previous video, we managed to link our Google Play account with Intune. Now we're going to install Android Studio in order to create the virtual Android device because I don't own any physical one. If you have a physical one, you could use that, of course. So Android Studio, it's a software. It requires a bit of hardware requirements. Went to this website who kindacode.com who have requirements, and I'm on Windows currently here, so the required minimum is like 8 GB of RAM. Not that impressive maybe, but recommended it's 16 GB of RAM and a bit of free storage. It takes some time. It takes some storage. Mac, similar, 8 GB of RAM, around Mojave or newer. Well, Sonoma is coming around the corner while this video is recording. And for Linux, it's 8 GB also, the same for Chrome OS. So my experience is that, yes, it requires some resources. So if you don't take your weakest machine for this. So let's download Android Studio. It's pretty big also. So I'm going to put the link in the description, but developer.android.com/studio. Gonna download it, and well, can look at the release notes also, but let's download it because it's quite big. Which version is this? 2022.31. Okay. I have, of course, read all this and start to download it. So it is 1 GB, fairly big. I'm on a good connection, so for me it go quick, but on a slower connection, 1 GB can take some time. Hey, um, I'll open this file. Oh, it's, if I remember right, it's fairly straight on. Oh, I think I've started it twice. Fine. How many? No, thrice. I didn't realize that oh, 4 times. Okay, let's run this one. Yes. Comes the installer. So, as all software, usually you just go next. Yes, we definitely want this Android virtual device. It's actually what we're going to use, so be sure that one is checked. That requires a bit more space. And it's a 64-bit. Excellent, Android. And sure, let's create the start menu folder. And now it's going to install. If you are on another OS, Mac or Linux, it's the same deal. You download, you execute it, install. So no big difference there. Okay, it completed. And let's start it. We're finished now. Um, I'll don't import any settings. Uh, well, I'll send. Doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want there. Okay, go next. I'm going to use with the standard, which is recommended for most of the users. Um, dark mode is nice, but I go with light. It doesn't really matter. You choose what you want, of course. So here are some extra stuff that's going to be downloaded and installed. So that's also we accept. We have to accept for each and the emulator and finish. So now we got more downloads to take place. Okay, I'm gonna hit yes on this one, but why not look what it's gonna run? It's gonna run a CMD command. It's gonna run a silent install wrapper bat. It's gonna do a log file. Okay, and it's gonna send the error there. Well, we say yes to this anyway. Oh, looks like got an error there. Uh, Okay, well, we say yes again. It's creating an Android virtual device, apparently. Hope that's not a bad error. Oh, it's finished. So we got Android Studio installed. In the next coming video, we're gonna create a virtual Android device that we're later gonna enroll into Intune. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.